Hello everyone, and thank you for clicking on to the Metro Weather Watch evening video update. Well, we certainly had a cool and dreary day out there most of the day. We had these showers that just kind of lingered across the area, and that really kept a lid on our temperatures. You know, we really didn't expect the showers that we had out there today, and we thought temperatures would warm up to the low 60s, but instead, we struggled to get out of the 40s today with this rain and the cloud cover that just held over us most of the day. On the edge of this much warmer air starting to push in. And looking at the radar overlaying with the temperatures this evening, you'll notice our temperatures have rebounded into the low 50s, and we're seeing a much warmer air mass just to our west. Take a hop west of the Mississippi River, and you're going to find temperatures in the 70s and 80s down across Missouri. Got my states confused there. Kansas down to Oklahoma and Arkansas. And that warmer air is going to be surging our way. We have a southerly wind that's going to be increasing tonight, and that's going to help keep these temperatures from falling. So we're going to hold in the 50s and actually rise a little bit through the mid 50s, I think, going through our nighttime hours tonight. So a mild night expected, and it's going to be a much warmer day on Friday. I can guarantee you that. Let's look at your day planner for Friday, and really it's going to be a great day for us. We'll have a very breezy southerly wind tomorrow. And that's what's really the kicker here. What's driving these temperatures way up tomorrow is the strong southerly flow. And we'll have a good deal of cloud cover around, so we won't have a lot of sun. But it should be basically a dry day. We can't completely rule out a stray shower tomorrow, but again, by and large, it's a dry day. Nothing like what we had out there today. And again, I think we'll see those afternoon highs getting up into the lower end of the 70s. So if you want to get out of the off work early or just make some outdoor plans tomorrow, I recommend getting out there and doing it. Maybe want to mow the yard, do it tomorrow, because unfortunately the weekend does have some unsettled weather. Unfortunately, I know it's the weekend, everyone wants to get outside, but we do have some active weather to discuss here. The Storm Prediction Center has put out a marginal risk for stronger storms on Saturday here in most of our tri-state. And then we have a better chance here where there's a standard slight risk over portions of Mississippi through western Alabama and far south and west Tennessee on Saturday. That's where a little bit of better energy will be in place for these storms. And here in our region, this is not going to be a big deal. But we could see a couple storms have a little bit of hail and gusty winds with them, but for the most part, they will be below that severe criteria. But just something to kind of keep an eye on here as we get closer. And looking at our severe weather graphic, our exclusive severe weather graphic here that we made here, we're watching Saturday again for some isolated hail and wind. Not a huge deal for us. And then we're going to be having another storm system coming in quickly behind this one early next week that I'll be discussing here shortly. Looking at your weekend forecast now in graphical form, again, Saturday we'll have fair game for showers off and on through the day at any given time. A few thunderstorms as well. And temperatures very warm. So we'll keep the warmth this weekend. We're just going to have to contend with some rainfall near 70 on Saturday. And I think the most numerous activity will be the second half of the day with those showers and storms. And then Saturday night will remain pretty wet, really area wide. And then on Sunday, this is where the forecast does start to improve. We will have showers starting to gradually push to the east. So the system will be slowly pushing out of here, and we will see some improvements, I think, especially during the second half of the day. Temperatures still in those upper into the 60s, so very pleasant temperatures this weekend. And looking at the computer models now for the weekend, we'll be watching that storm system. It'll be gradually weakening as it does push into the Ohio Valley. Again, showers and storms really at any given time on Saturday. This will be coming in after midnight across our western zones, and then gradually working eastward through the day on Saturday. Showers Saturday night, and then Sunday it starts to pull out to the east. And then as we go through next week, we're still in a fairly active weather pattern. So we get this system out of here on Sunday and Sunday night. But watch how quickly our next storm comes in here with rain on Monday and some thunderstorms as well. I think temperatures will surge into the 70s on Monday. So we'll see a very warm surge with this system. And as this pulls by, we'll see heavy showers and some thunderstorms out there. And this will start to push out of here at some point on Tuesday. And it does look like we'll get a bit of a lull around the middle of next week. And then by the end of the week, another storm system comes at us. And it looks like by the next Friday, next Thursday, next Friday, we'll have some more active weather with showers and storms returning to our forecast. So it is a more unsettled pattern, but again, very typical for springtime. And at least we're not talking about rain all the time. Again, we will have some dry weather next week around Tuesday and especially Wednesday, I think, before that next system does come in. So it won't rain the whole week, but yes, definitely a pretty active weather pattern setting up for us over the next week. Well, I think that'll do it for your evening video update. We appreciate you all for tuning in. I do hope you're enjoying these green screen videos. I know I'm not very good at this yet, but I'm just keep working and getting better here. We appreciate your support for tuning in, and be sure to keep it here for more weather updates as we go through the weekend.